This video will introduce the wiring of relay output and RS485 communication terminal. The middle row of terminals contains the relay output and communication ports of ARD2F. Usually, with the protection function, only connect the terminals 95 and 96 to the contactor core controller loop. For start-off control function, the wiring involving DO1 and DO2 is required. This video will not show. RS485 communication A and B port is located on the right side of this row of terminals. "25" is port A1 and 26 is port B1, leading to the connection device with shielded, twisted pair wire.